What's up, y'all? Are you one of those people that completely struggle with freestyling just like me? Well, if you are, then I have a big treat for you guys, because right here, right now, I have one of the gurus of footwork in my city, Vancouver, BC. He's moved to Japan now and he's creating tons of fire content for you guys. So I wanted to collab with him so I can show you guys his channel and give you a little taste of what he does. So without further ado, here's Razzy D, Filthee Feet crew. Let's go.
Step one is practice your repertoire. This is something that I learned from an interview with Ken Swift, and what he'd do is write down all of his moves and go through them every practice. Practicing things like this allows the movements to get ingrained into your mind to the point where you don't think about how to do them and can think about when to do them instead. This allows you to focus on things like the connection with the music, letting go of your conscious mind, and getting more into that flow state that's so important in breaking. The next thing is to practice situational awareness. This is what's going to help you when you get stuck in your freestyle. It'll help you see more possibilities in the moment because you'll have already worked through these problem positions a million times. This is the more slow and deliberate practice. It's finding situations or positions that you get stuck in and learning to work through them. At practice, there's no pressure and no fear of mistakes, so take this time to really explore things deeply. Explore your first gut instinct movement, then look at your second thought, then your third, then your fourth, and see how far you can go and how many ways you can create something from that position. The more aware you are of the possibilities, the less likely you are to get stuck when that situation comes up. You'll be more familiar with it and have a number of options to choose from. Take these movements that you discover in these sessions, drill them, add them to step one, and move on to the next step. The last part is practice having no plan. Figure out how you react in these situations where you don't know what you're doing. You need to put yourself out there in these uncomfortable, unsafe situations to really learn to be free. We have to know the feeling of discomfort, of failure, of pressure in order to be better prepared the next time you face it. All that drilling and slow, methodical thinking is what will make this possible, but you still need to actually put it into practice. This is where you learn to stay in the present and let go. Let go of mistakes, adapt to the present moment. Don't think too much and try and feel your way through things. Let go of judgment and let go of what you think you should be doing and just do stuff. The more experience you have with this, the easier things will flow, the better your freestyle will become. Keep moving, don't stop. Learn to reach that flow state where time disappears and ideas, new and old, just come to you. You've done the physical training, this is the mental training, and you have to put in the time to get better at that too. You're gonna make mistakes, so don't worry about being perfect. Just move. Good luck.